How to give custom file naming while exporting data using forensic software program. File naming options are available with EML, text, PDF and HTML. Let us select PDF as an example. Here you can see the custom naming option inside the drop-down list. These are the default file naming options available. Selecting custom naming option, enable the box below. You can enter an open curly bracket to see options for naming. Here the list of options shows. You need to type the required option and close the curly bracket. Here I am entering date as my naming option. Date option will display complete date and time in the name. We can add more parameters to the naming option. Let add subject as well with date. Here I am using a hyphen as separator. You can use any separator which are allowed in Windows file naming. Now click on Save button to add the naming options to the list. Name the option and save. You can select any naming option according to your choice. Now the option got added to the list. Let us try exporting with newly created naming option. Files have been converted. Let us check the PDF file created. All the files are created with date and subject. The program also provide option to delete the created naming option. The naming option got deleted successfully. Thank you for watching.